everybody, welcome back. Today I have this amazing hair mask for you. If you have dry and brittle hair and you're looking for something to make it a little bit stronger, well, keep on watching. Okay everybody, so for the hair mask, what we're going to need is plain yogurt. It doesn't matter the brand as long as it is plain. 1 egg and 1 lime. So let's get started. For our first step, we're going to grab the spoon and put 2 spoonfuls of the yogurt into our container. Next, we're going to grab our lime. We're not going to use the whole lime. We're only going to use half of it and just squeeze that into the container. Don't worry about the seeds. You can take those out once you're about to add in the egg. And for our final step, our egg. All we need from the egg is the yolk. And once you separate the white and the yolk, you can go ahead and add that to the rest of your stuff. Now that our mask is ready, we are first going to wrap something around ourselves just in case it gets a little messy. I tend to use this t-shirt when I dye my hair or do anything to my hair with products. So I like doing this mask every 2 weeks. It helps with my dry ends. It doesn't help a lot with the fallout, but at least with the dry ends it does. I have thyroid problems, so it really dries out my hair, but with this mask it has definitely helped a lot. Now that our hair mask is ready, we're going to add that to our hair. I like to start from my roots and do it in a circular motion and then massage my scalp while I'm doing it, and then I'll head down to the rest of my hair. Now that the hair mask is all done, we're just going to clip our hair up and we are good to go. We're going to give it like 10 to 15 minutes to let it sit on our hair, and then you can go ahead and wash it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe down at the bottom. Hit that bell so you can get my notifications and you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!